Today we have Blaupunkt newly launched Btw100 Xtreme truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. i99H playtime. I-quad mic, I-CRISPR tech, I-gaming mode, I-turbo volt charging, I-BT version 5.3, in-ear. Let's talk about this product. About product. The new Btw100 Xtreme. From the battery life to the ENC tech to the price. Everything is a breakthrough. Every once in a while, a piece of tech comes along that is so far ahead of the competition that leaves everyone speechless. Blaupunkt has done it again with the new Btw100 Xtreme. The Btw100 Xtreme comes with the battery power that will blow you away. The charging case is packs a 500 meters hour battery, and each of the pair of buds have 45 mAh in them. This translates to a whopping 99 hours of playtime. Charging the Btw100 Xtreme is also a breeze. Blaupunkt has loaded its turbo volt tech into these buds. Blaupunkt has spent a lot of time perfecting the audio in their product. They have done this by getting the latest in tech and the best possible components. Through and constant testing, they have now launched the sonic radar mics. That is what the new Btw100 Xtreme comes loaded with. The Btw100 Xtreme has a very tiny lag rate, so actions and sound blend seamlessly. Gaming becomes all the more exciting. Let's talk about specification. Model name: Btw100 Xtreme Base Buds Wireless Earbuds. Battery capacity: earbuds 245 mAh and charging case 500 mAh. Low latency 80 milliseconds. Driver size 510. Voice assistant: Siri and Google Assistant. Compatibility: iPhone, Android phones, OnePlus mobiles, laptop, smart TV, MacBook, desktop, all audio devices supporting Bluetooth A2DP profile. Designed and developed in Germany, imported and marketed in Btw100 105-107, before, Space Tech Park, Sec 49, Sohana Road, Gurgaon, Haryana. 1,22,018. Country of origin China. Approved by Blaupunkt Germany. Let's talk about price. This smart earbuds price is 1,299 only. Next video coming soon. Hope like this video.